my name is Marian Turgeson. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana. I've just had a partial mastectomy here at Dr. Antonelli's office. I feel great. I'm going home. I was in surgery for a couple of hours. I am in medicine. I've been 27 years working in medicine. I'm a clinic administrator at Children's. And of course, being on the patient end, I learned a lot of things in medicine along the way. The very best thing I've learned is when I discovered Dr. Antonelli is his technique for laser surgery. It's just amazing how good I feel after a partial mastectomy. I'm not having any discomfort. I'm just coming out of the anesthesia now, and I feel great. So I'm off to grab something to eat, to convalesce at the hotel where I'm staying, and the staff here is impeccable, and words cannot express my deepest thanks for Dr. Antonelli and his staff. Thank you again.